fellas, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, it's a very different video. So I got some quad lock gear, as you might have seen in the description as well. We're just going to go through it, and I've just got three pieces. So the first one then is the Handlebar Mount Pro. Okay, we'll go through all the details on that. The case then, I actually originally ordered the Mount Pro and the vibration dampener, which is this one, and I forgot to order this. So if you're ordering it from Quad Lock, remember to get your phone case, whatever phone case you have, remember to get that all included, because I ended up paying $9.50 in delivery, where I would have got a free delivery with all of this together. So just keep that in mind. And there was a 30% off. I'm not sure if it's still on it. Have a look. It was a Black Friday deal. So that's why I went for it, because I've been looking at it for ages, but I didn't pull the trigger because, you know, it was dear enough. But let's get into the video and check out and see what's in the boxes, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have the handlebar mount first. Let's take a look at this. So let's put it out this way. So we have all the little pieces here. So the locks there, and you have all your diameter rings there. So if we take these out, I haven't taken these out yet. So it's like a little rubber ring here. I think it's just for the little measurements here. These ones. So that's the 1/1/8. So there's another fitting in here, just in there, and that's the little piece here. And then there's a screw that comes in here as well, if you can see it here. Just fits in there. Smell of plastic. And then you have your Allen key, which it's always handy to see does it fit in here. It's my first unboxing video, by the way, so excuse me if it's a bit of rough. Bit of rough. So, and also forgot to show you in the box as well, in here, then you have your quad lock bits and pieces, and then a couple of stickers, stick them on your helmet, bike, whatever, bag, whatever. They'll be grand. So that's grand there. And then the dampener, which I haven't opened yet, so we'll pull this out. It's a vibration dampener. Again, you have some paperwork and stuff like that. That's it. That's that away over there. And then you have the vibration dampener, and that also comes with an Allen key. How very handy. So that's it there. One sec. Yeah, that's it there, okay. And like I said, it has a screw in it already. And then your Allen key comes with that. So I'll put that over there. Allen key again comes with that. I think it's the same size. Yeah, same size as the other one, okay. Same size as this one. Okay, so then we have our phone one, the one I forgot to get. Sorry, down here. The one I forgot to get, and paid $9.50 delivery. That's stung a little bit, fairness, but I had it for free. Now, nice weight in this actually. Nice foam on the back, and that clicks into place. All in all, that's all the parts there. So we'll just go through all the parts. So you have your little piece here, so this is for your handlebar, and then you have the different size of whatever your handlebar fitting is. That's just a little rubber just to have it on the inside. You can tie it up different ways, different sizes and stuff like that. Just keeps your bars from getting scratched and stuff. You have your Allen key there. Allen key comes with the dampener as well. Your screw. I've toggled around with this a bit, okay, and with the vibration dampener. Okay, so the vibration dampener has a little screw on the bottom of it. You can see that there. Yeah, So that's the little screw on the bottom of it there. I'll show it to the side. Okay, and then in here you have the head for the actual Allen key, which is this one. So the hex head is actually inside here, and then you put it on top here. So it's just like a gear little fitting on the back of it, and the same here as well, if I'm showing you that right. Okay, so that fits in there, fits in snug in there, and then you just use the Allen key to tighten it. Now, and that's tightened there. And then I'm going to tighten this piece here, little clip, and there's a screw already in it, as you can see, a hex screw. And I'm going to sit this in here. So this is all before I went outside, anywhere outside to fit it on the bike or anything. So it's handy then messing around outside, and you can feel that lock in. So then you have your little piece here, and that's the full piece there. So all I have to do when I go outside is to get the right size of these for the handlebar. And then on the back of the phone then, or the phone case, you have this here, and it sits kind of snug in there. So push it in there, actually push this here, it says push on it. So push down and then up, that should lock. Yeah, perfect. So that locks now, okay? So you can have it that way, and you can see it securely locked in there. And that's how to put that together. And then to take it out, you simply push this down, twist the case, and the case comes back off. Yeah, just comes back off there. Like I said, it's just a screw here on the dampener, and then screw that in. There's a little hex in here, and then you screw this piece back in here. I don't know what the long screw is for. This one, to be honest, I haven't used it at all on anything yet, so if I find out, I'll let you know. I'm going to pop that back in there, and now we can go outside and put it on the bike. Okay, so if you can see, we're going to fit the collar on it, and that's the 1-inch collar, 25.4 millimeters. Just move some wire in here. Well, it's here, and there's little grooves that go in the slots there, and just fit this in here. Busy.
But I don't want to get off, did you?
That's only a little rubber part, it's not essential, but
Might be.
back in. Sorry now that I had to cut off the video. Gary came along, we ended up getting chatting, and I ended up fitting it with him and forgot to film the rest of it. So the finished product is, I actually moved it from here. It's very windy today. Moved it from here to in here in the center, and it's much better. Just use the collar, if you can see it in there, and the little rubber piece here, because it was a bit loose. So it went on nicely, there was no problem fitting it on. Clear space, and when I have the phone on here, it's actually perfect. So the phone kind of just sits here. It's a different collar, but you can see the way the phone sits there, and it's actually perfect. So easy, it's actually easy to get on, and like you can see the dampener there, that goes up and down, and like I said, it's so easy to fit on, so easy. So yeah, that's it, and that's the review for this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll test it out on the road, and we'll see how it goes on out on the road in the next couple of videos and stuff like that as well, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Deise, rebel out.